Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. I'm super excited to present you the lesson 11, learning Kung Fu at home. If you want training Kung Fu but you don't have a big space, if you have something like this, and that is enough. Welcome back to the modern Kung Fu. So in this powerful combo, we have the opening move, and also we have a blocking and punch. We have upper palm, we have heel kick, and we have multiple palms. Let's quick go through those technique and follow me step by step. Let's quick review the technique of the palms. Your all fingers get together and tight. Your thumb in like this. When you push, you can rotate and push. So power out by this part, outside of your palm. This is called 柳叶掌, means lifts palm or power. So out by this part, this is very powerful palm. And also, you can do palm, flat palm. Flat palm, use your whole your palm and go push with your power. Or you can double palm, flat palm. With your punches, your fingers all together, your thumb on the top, to make this flat and strong. Rotate, and that's called vertical punch. Also, you can punch, rotate with flat punch. Flat, tap your wrist. So don't make your wrist weak because it can injure your wrist. So you power out, right there. And this block. So you block your hand from the inside, from down and go up with tight the fist and go block side of your head. So someone attack you, you can always block by this way. So it's not just to go too big because the punch still can find the gap to attack you. Just line up side of your punch and you can punch back. Same thing other side. So block just side of your head and you can punch back. The blocking movement, 下插掌, double 下插掌. You both hand from top and go. Sink down your shoulders and your stomach. In, we stop. Power to blocking. So this is more to blocking uppercut or double uppercut or kicks. So when someone go uppercut, your hand from top, blocking either side. If they go double, you go double block. If they go kick, you can blocking and you punch back. Front kick have many ways to apply. Low kick, high kick, twist kick, jumping kick. In this combo, we're going to teach you one of the most powerful front kick. Open hip with distance. One knee lift. Once you kick, open your hip and boom, push, and you can look twist. So you can really to hit your target, to kick as far as possible. So your goal and focus, not just for a chest or the head, to look 100 meters far away and let your power go through this target. You can get the results will surprise you. Let's follow me now for the technique and the form. The first move, get ready. Both hands become fist on your waist. And your both hand, left become palm, right become fist. Circle, and you go. Stop your right to make sure your toe 45 go this way. You both hand just right your side, and you push with your empty stance. Let's just quick talk about the opening movement, the purpose. Attention to get ready. Both hand to blocking a circle and make a step. You make stop. Why we're doing this stop? Because this is called big step. Once you have big step, something happen after. Mostly the power punch or kick or attack. So we attack both hand, palm and fist. So one big step and push. And after that, you both hand go to your right side and from top and come back. Your waist, your both feet open like this. Ready? Circle. Go big step and push. And go 1, 2, 3. Number 1, your left hand go blocking, protect your side, and you go punch. So make sure your whole weight on your right leg and toe point, empty stance. This is empty. You go punch. Then you go blocking your right. And same thing, you go empty stance, punch your right. For this technique, clear, we go blocking to protect your head, and you go punch your right. So your waist twist, your body lean a little back, but you stay in the center. We'll go 1 and 2. So mostly people are attack straight punch, go blocking and quick attack back. Same thing, coming this side, blocking and punch back. With your high empty stance. What is a high empty stance? Your front toe is 100% empty, so all your weight in behind leg, your right leg, means high empty stance, like this, 100%. Put your toe. I didn't touch floor, this is 100%, so put this. So lean back a little bit, and go punch, go blocking, and go punch, go blocking, and punch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go 1, block, and 2, block. The number 3 on both hands. Come back, you waist. Go up, open from top. You both hands go down, you step back. There you go. Blocking with your both hands. To blocking, go down. Sink your shoulder and your elbow go down as well with your breast. So that is strong blocking both sides. As I said earlier, you can block it 1 hand and 2 hands, and this is double hand. When you step back, you quick become strong, solid stance called a ball stance. Step back, go blocking. Same time, stay strong, your senses. And repeat with me. Blocking, blocking. After this, you both hand come back to your waist to make a heel kick. As I mentioned, you go knee first, kick, open your hip. You can kick far away with your target. And after that, you both hand from your waist, you go push up. Your explosive power to attack the chin. Correct. And both hand, 1 step harder and double with your power. They go 1 and 2. Step blocking, punch. Step blocking and punch. Both hands back to waist from top. Go down with the power. Both hands back to waist. Go hip kick, twist, and go. Both hands go top with your upper. Double palm. Your both hands back to waist. Palm 1 and palm 2 and palm 3. You go palm 1 and palm 2. You twist. Same time, your elbow become left and go with your powerful palm. With your right, so go 1, 2, 3. Become horse stance. 1, 2. You twist both toes straight and with your power. 马步 flat, toe straight. How to improve the power and speed, the intention with the way to application to stay 100% focused. When you do your form, there's nothing else happening around for you. Once you do your movement, don't be shy to make a sound. So you can speak name of your movement, or you just make a sound like sport, the power. Hey, and hey, push palm, blocking pass, attack. It really can increase your focus, just stay in your movement, and you understand the intention why we're blocking. You imagine someone really just practice with you, either your partner or you're fighting with someone. So let's try it with me with slower speed, intermediate speed, and the full speed. Get it ready? Both hands. Stop. And push away. Blocking left. Punch right. Power. And you block right. And push with power. left. First stance with your full power. Let's get in better speed with this. More power. 1, 2, back. Go heel kick, kick forward. From down, attack the chin. And punch the chest, punch the chest. Go push power with horse stance. One more time with the full speed. With this part and with the power to the chin. Put your head, how to imagine how the power coming from. Great work. That's all for today. I love you all. I see you in next video. In next video, we will present you more Kung Fu kicks in lesson 12. Learning Kung Fu at home. Be safe. 同学们再见。有事 answer me. 老师再见。